A Samsung TV that keeps turning off can be frustrating. But there are several reasons why this may be happening. The Eco Solution feature being enabled is one possible cause, as it can cause the TV to turn off occasionally. Additionally, a software glitch or outdated firmware may also be to blame. To fix these issues, start by checking the TV settings. If the Eco Solution feature is enabled, navigate to Settings, select the General option, then tap the Eco Solution option, and check the Auto Power option. If it's on, tap the Turn Off option to disable it. If this doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the TV by disconnecting it from the power source, pressing the power button for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. If the problem persists, update the TV's firmware by connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network, pressing the Settings key on the remote control, selecting the Support option, and then choosing the Software Update option. If an update is available, tap the Update Now option. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Samsung TV and prevent it from turning off unnecessarily.